There are so many grammar components for English, but are you ready for another one? Okay, we're going to learn now about possessive adjectives. And you've actually already seen these, but you didn't know that they were possessive adjectives. So let's look at some questions we've already learned. What is your name? What is his address? What is her phone number? And what is their zip code? So, like I said, you've already seen some questions like this and these questions specifically. Your is our possessive adjective. His is also a possessive adjective. Her is a possessive adjective. And so is their. Look at that. You learned something and you didn't even know that you were learning a new concept. Okay, so let's look at the answers. How do we answer questions like these when people ask us? Well, you already know also. My name is, his address is, her phone number is, and their zip code is. So these answers are also using possessive adjectives. My, that is a possessive adjective. His, again, is a possessive adjective. Her is also a possessive adjective, and so is their. So let's look at something maybe you've noticed while I was reading these. Name, address, phone number, zip code. All of these are vocabulary you've already learned, but also these are all nouns, which you remember is a person, a place, or a thing. So you can see the pattern here. We have a possessive adjective first, then a noun, and then this verb, is. And what's familiar about is? We've learned this too. This is the verb to be. So look at that. We are putting together a few different concepts that we've learned while we're learning about possessive adjectives. And you've already been using all of these things before you even realized it. So that's amazing. So you may be wondering, what about we? We have a subject, we, but is there a possessive adjective? Well, I am very glad that you asked. Let's look at this sentence here. We have books. So we, subject, very good, have this new verb we just learned, and books, which is a noun. So if we're talking and saying possessive adjective, we would use our, O-U-R. Our books are black, for example. So we have possessive adjective, noun, books, and look, another verb to be, are, black, adjective, color. Good job. So why do we use possessive adjectives? Possessive adjectives help the person listening to us know who is in ownership of something. For example, what is your name? Here we're talking about name. So we're asking about your name. So when you say my name, that's showing that my name, it belongs to me, is Melanie. The same thing if I say, what is his address? When I answer this, his address is something. Because now I'm saying this address is his. It belongs to this person who is a male. So his we use when we're talking about a male, and her we use when we're talking about a female. Okay, so let's look at the subject pronouns we've learned and look at the possessive adjectives. So remember our subject pronoun, I, so I can say I am a student. We have a subject, I, and then the verb to be, am. When we're using possessive adjectives, my, and remember we have to use a noun after that. My name is. Okay. You is our subject pronoun, so you are a student. When we use possessive adjective, your name is Stacy. Okay. He is our subject pronoun. He is a boy. Okay. Possessive adjective, his. His name is Tom. We have our possessive adjective, his, and a noun that comes after it, name. Very good. Subject pronoun, she. Okay, good. She is our subject pronoun. She is a girl. She, subject pronoun, is verb to be. Her is our possessive adjective. So we can say her address is. So you can see possessive adjective her, and then a noun, address. Okay. We is our subject pronoun. The possessive adjective we use for this is our, like we had here. Our books are black. Okay. They, subject pronoun. They are sisters, maybe. Possessive adjective, their. Their mother is my friend, we can say. Their is a possessive adjective. Then we have a noun after, mother. And the last one, it. Remember, it is a subject pronoun we use for a thing. Possessive adjective, its. Its fur is brown. So we can see its possessive adjective. Fur, what is this? A noun, very good. Is, what do we call this? Verb to be. And brown is a color. It describes what the fur looks like. Very, very good. So we have subject pronoun and possessive adjective.